After a long rain in the morning, we started from Gap Road, Munnar. Periyakanal Waterfalls is 18 kilometers far from Munnar Town, and the sky was so clear after the rain. It was around 17 degrees in the morning, and we had to off the AC inside our car because it was too cold. Then we saw a beautiful view in between. What a view it was! A small village, so green, so beautiful, so positive. Ha. It was so exciting to drive in this gap road with these beautiful scenery outside, and we would feel like stopping the car everywhere to take photos and videos. It was so beautiful. There was a toll plaza coming in between. And guys, I'll tell you one more thing. If you're traveling by four-wheelers, please do start using fastags, which can help you save money and time. Periyakanal Waterfalls is located near to Munnar en route to Thekkady. The enchanting surroundings and amid lush tea plantations make it an excellent picnic spot and overlook. If you're traveling in monsoon, you can see a lot of small waterfalls here and there. It was only 12 kilometers from where we started, but then too we couldn't speed up the vehicle speed because of the scenic view outside. The best view of the Periyakanal Waterfalls is from the opposite side. We couldn't get that shot since we already reached here in the front. Periyakanal is a small village in Devikulam Block in Idukki district of Kerala state. It comes under Chinnakkanal Panchayath. It is located 8 km from Devikulam and 22 km from Munnar Town. The waterfall is situated in Periyakanal Valley and is surrounded by lush green hills and tea plantations. The waterfall comes from a height of about 100 feet and forms a pool at the bottom. We moved back to Gap Road and had a cup of tea, planning for the next day.